it's Hams, a Swiss Lathe manufacturer. I'm Sonia. Today I want to tell you a little bit about the Swiss Lathe, how to use cooperate with the multi-axis linkage. Multi-axes are controlled in real time by numerications control that controls dimensions of each axis to achieve the precise fit between the tools and workpieces. In Swiss Lathe, which usually includes x-axis, z-axis, y-axis effector, the spindle and sub-spindle work in coordination with each other. For example, in complex part machining, one set of axes is responsible for the movement path of the tool, and the other set of the axes control the rotation and position of the workpieces. Through the synchronized linkage of these axes, multi-processes, turning, milling, drilling, and other processes at the same time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.